Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recruit people to be in your team for the building challenge in Heartopia. So create a team, enter your team name, and I just set mine to apply to join. Then I'm just going to invite people. If your team is private, you're just able to invite people without them applying to join your team, basically. You can also enable this button, which allows them to invite other people or approve their application, I guess. And that is it basically for the prep phase. You still have another week to recruit people to be on your team. You're also going to use this time to collect the team currency, I guess. It says Beaver Cup Build Challenge. You're going to wait for another week until the creation phase has begun. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Don't forget to collect furnitures too for the build challenge. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!